Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make 2000 naira every single day just performing this simple task. You won't believe it, guys. It's so real and it's so easy, so I want you to stay with me till the end of this video so that you can learn the steps. You can learn the steps and you won't make any mistake, so you can get your money daily. All right, having said that, if you are new to my channel, Truewealth Channel, will discuss about finance, about opportunities on how to make money, not just online but offline. We educate you on how you can make money consistently, how you can generate wealth, and we also introduce you to platforms and systems that are already working, and how you can do the same thing we are doing. We are not just bringing you here to show you what we are not doing. We are showing you what we have done that has worked. All right, so you can consider joining our Telegram channel also. So having said that, the first thing you would need to do is to copy the link on the description of this video. If you have signed up before, you don't need to sign up again. But if you haven't signed up before, make sure you copy my link so that you can opt in properly, as you can see. So just copy the link and paste it on your browser, or just click on the link and let it redirect you to the browser. So having done that, the first thing you need to do is to fill in your phone number. Make sure you fill in your phone number. Please, every details you'll be using, make sure they are real details. Make sure they are real details. Now, what you want to do is, when you sign up on this account, they will be giving you 100 naira for free, which you can use instantly to load up your phone as airtime. So you can load up your airtime, you can load up your phone, you can use it for airtime instantly. So you can use it for airtime instantly, and I recommend that you use it for airtime. Maybe just 15 naira airtime, just buy airtime directly. Now, the app we are working with is called Palmpay. Palmpay is like a financial institution and is fully licensed by CBN and has over 3 million customers in Nigeria. When you head over to Play Store and just type Palmpay, as you can see, there is over 5 million plus downloads of Palmpay. So if you can see 5 million plus downloads, that means the app is legit. So if you click on it now, you can even check reviews. You can check reviews. The Palmpay app is fast and reliable. You see improvement in the shopper scene. So there is a lot of opportunities using this Palmpay application. You can send money for free. You can send money for free without the normal regular bank charges. You can get a lot of cash back. When you load airtime, you get cash back. When you load airtime, you get cash back. You can get loan on it if you wish. I mean, whatever you do, most of the time on this app, you get money back. So how interesting will it be when you use a bank account and yet you are still getting paid for using the bank account? So that means there are a lot of opportunities. So the one we want to opt in for now is getting 2000 naira daily. So fill in your phone number and click on sign up bonus. So having done that, just head to Play Store and download the app Palmpay. After downloading, as you have seen, it has been downloaded. Just click on open. So click on open, and when you click on open, you can see sign up, get 110 welcome bonus. But so I've signed up, I won't be doing that. So what you just do, when you click on sign up, just click on sign up. It will bring you here. So input your phone number, click on SMS. So when you input your phone number, your legal first name. Now make sure you are using the name that is registered with your BVN or with your bank account, because this is unlike a bank. Also, this is like a bank. So if you want to withdraw, your name must tally, the name of your bank must tally, so that it won't be like you are a fraud or you are trying to open multiple accounts using your phone. You understand? So make sure you have only one account. So use your first name, input your surname, Are you a male or female? Input your birthday. Leave this invitation code blank since you have used that link to sign up that you want to get the offer. Then the next thing is to click on sign up. So after you click on sign up, you'll be given an instant 110 naira which you can use to recharge your line. So I will proceed to log in now. All right, so I've logged in into my own account now. I've logged in into my account. So after you have done that, the next step that you need to do is to go to menu, click on authentication. Once you click on authentication, you may choose not to put your ID card for now. You choose not to put your bank card. You may choose not to put your BVN. You can just go and select bank account and fill in your bank account. But note, please, the name that you imputed when you are signing up must be the same name that you impute on your bank account. That's why you must watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any step. So the name you impute while you are signing up must be the same name of your bank account. You can also choose to input your BVN. For those who are feeling somehow they can't deduct the money on your account with just your BVN here. So, and also Palmpay, you can go and verify it. Also make sure you do your own research anytime you see an information to see how legit it is, and this is very legit. So input your BVN and it verifies your name. So as you can see, I verified both my bank account and my BVN. I've not done bank card, I've not done valid ID card, and yet I've verified. So I'm able to withdraw the money. So the next thing is to now, after doing that, go back. So just click on airtime and load airtime. Just load airtime. You can load the 15 naira airtime with the money that you have received. So just load airtime. So after you've loaded time, now this is where you are going to. This is how you'll be making the 2000 naira. Haven't signed up properly. As you can see, they're also doing currently a 200 million giveaway, which you can participate. There are lots of opportunities. This app is just amazing. It's just amazing. There are a lot of opportunities. Currently, they are doing a 200 million giveaway, Easter giveaway. So you can participate also, and you win. You will be earning daily. If you log into the app every day, you will also be earning. Every day as you log into the app, you also be earning without doing anything. So there are a lot of opportunities on it. So just click on refer and earn. Now let me show you something. You may be thinking, is this is like a bank? If you click on to bank account, you can transfer money. As you can see, I've transferred money 90 times free bank account transfer every month. So you will not be paying any charges to transfer money for 90 times every month. So go back. Now, for those of us who run online business, this is an app. Apart from OPay, you can consider using. Apart from OPay, Kuda, you can consider using Palmpay, especially if you are into the cryptocurrency. A lot of people are using this. Now, click on refer and earn. So this is what you want to do. Now, refer and earn. Now, when you click on refer and earn, as you can see, you have been given 380 naira. They said invite at least one person to get 500 naira. They will ask you, do you want to earn 500, 1000 or 2000? If you are earning 500, they will tell you, okay, copy your link, click on invite user, then copy the link, send it to a friend. When you send it to a friend, let the friend just follow this step. You can copy this video along, follow this step using your link. Let him copy your link and put it in the browser and input his or her phone number. Then after doing that, he can go and download the application and fill in information, and you will see that instantly the money will be there. The money will be dropped on you. And make sure you also verify his BVN or bank card so that you will be able to withdraw, and you will also be able to withdraw, as nobody can open a bank account without verification. So click on if you want to withdraw after getting that. So you can do that for 4. When you get 4 people, you will withdraw your 2000 naira. Now this doesn't require your referral paying anything. That is why it is easy for you to get the referral. It doesn't require anything from your referral, just to sign up with their phone number and verify the account, and you get paid. Both of you get paid, and they can continue doing that also. So if you have a friend, if you have families around you, you can just tell them to do that for you, and you'll be earning. If you have contact to do that, everyone wants to earn. Everyone wants to earn. This is a free way. We don't know when this will be ending now. In case you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and you can check the video I did on chippercash. I'll be dropping the link in the description also. And now you can make 1,100 naira on each person, but currently now they've reduced it to 600 naira. And so you just click on withdraw. Minimum you can withdraw is 500, as you can see. So withdraw. I've already invited and I've withdraw. If I test before I bring. I test before I bring. So the invite you are seeing here is the current one. I've withdrawn, that's why it's now bringing out total 0 for this remaining one. So when I do this one again, as you can see, this 3:18 a.m. the new day, as I fill up this 2,000 naira, if I fill up this 500 naira, just one person will bring me 500 naira, another person will bring 1,000. But when I fill up the first one, I can withdraw 500. When I fill up 4, I can withdraw 2,000. So that's the benefit of this app. So I want you to take the step right now. Copy the link in the description box, paste it on your browser, or click on the link, input your phone number. After inputting your phone number, go to Play Store, download the app, sign up with your details, with your official details, then go to the menu, click on verification or authentication, verify your BVN details or any of your name. Just verify, make sure you verify. After verification, you can load airtime, then go to refer and then start making your unlimited money. If at all you have gotten any value from this video, I want you to consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss out in any video that will be uploading subsequently. And make sure you turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you very much. You can drop your comments if you have any questions. Thank you for staying through. I wish you happy earning. See you in the next video.